Welcome to RP Hub. In this video, we'll explain you Power BI Visuals Insight. This is video number 15, where I'm going to cover each and everything about Power BI Dashboards Insight. When we are using it and why it is required, I will explain you in further part of the video. So if you wanted to learn more about Power BI, feel free to watch my complete Power BI playlist. As I committed, at the end of the playlist, I will also share you certificate of completions of the course where you can add inside your resume. This will add additional skill set into your resume, which makes your life much better. To start with the Power BI Insight is helping us to analyze the data which is present into the visual charts. It will give you a detailed insight about your informations, what it displayed. And the same thing, you can analyze within the insights. And for most important part, insight is not at all a part of Power BI desktop versions. It's just included into cloud. That too for the premium user. Now here, if I wanted to generate the insight of this, I will just click on get insight. It will take some time to generate the insight, and each and every insight will be generated accordingly based on the chart. First insight of KPI analysis is this one, where count of supermarket sales data analysis, where overall count of supermarket sales data is currently 71.2 segments, having significantly lower count of supermarket sales data. So you can see, based on the informations we have presented, this visuals, and accordingly this insight will be generated. You don't have to make an effort to generate the insight about the chart. You can easily present this insight with your business team. So when we are working with any enterprises and you have tons of visuals reports and tons of data, you don't want to put in efforts to generate this type of insight, then Power BI Insight Generator will make your life easy. Whenever you're stuck with this type of insights, always take in help of Power BI Insight Generator. Let's see Insight 2. So Insight 2 is for count of column 2 analysis. It means this is the column 2s versus 6. Here, overall count of column 2 is currently 36 and count of column 2 for column 4, 1, 1924, and the other segments are significantly higher than others. Similar way, count of column 4 analysis is showing the currently at 35 and column 4 for column 3 is Emily Brown and other segments are significantly higher than others. So as of now, we can see just 3 inside, but if you have more number of informations, more visuals, you will see lot of other insights also generated. So that's how we can see insights in Power BI. Hope you like the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle, because your one step or one effort might change the life of others. So make sure to share this content as much as possible so that others can also get benefited with this. Thank you for watching.